A heartbreaking incident involving a young mother, secrecy, and an unexpected tragedy. What really happened on that fateful day? Stay with us as we dive into the mysterious case of an unexpected childbirth that led to the tragic loss of a newborn baby. This story raises many questions about secrecy, fear, and the struggles of those feeling lost and unsupported. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the tragic outcome and how similar incidents can be prevented in the future. In September of last year, a young mother who was determined to raise her baby despite objections from the biological father made the choice to keep her pregnancy hidden from her entire family. As the months went by, she kept her secret, until one day the unexpected happened. She gave birth at home in the toilet alone, with no one aware of her pregnancy. During the delivery, the baby girl fell to the ground, a tragic accident that later proved to be fatal. Both mother and baby were immediately rushed to KK Women's and Children's Hospital, but despite efforts to save the newborn, she was sadly pronounced dead upon arrival. The situation was already incredibly stressful for the mother, and the tragedy that followed only added to the overwhelming weight of isolation and secrecy she had carried all these months. The coroner's court recently opened an inquest into the incident, and the case has been classified as unresolved, with government lawyers obtaining an injunction to protect the identities of the family involved. The baby's cause of death remains unknown, with autopsy results showing that the newborn was undernourished but without any severe physical injuries. Scars on her scalp were consistent with the fall during birth, but these were not identified as life-threatening. Further investigations showed that the mother had even searched for information about premature births, suggesting that she had been anxious and unprepared, yet had no intention of abandoning her baby. After giving birth, the mother demonstrated care for her newborn, wrapping her in a towel and attempting to provide comfort even in the midst of such a traumatic event. This heartbreaking case raises many questions. Could the lack of support, hidden fears, and social stigma have been prevented? The baby's biological father had refused to be involved, but could there have been other ways to ensure the young mother received the help she needed? The police have ruled out any homicide, and the family has stated that they were unaware of the pregnancy, leaving everyone in shock and disbelief at the turn of events. At 22:30, we want to hear from you. What do you think about this tragic event? Could something have been done to prevent this tragedy? How do we as a society provide better support for those in need in these incredibly difficult situations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful coverage of real-life stories. Together, we can make a difference, even if it's just by spreading awareness. Your comments matter. Should there be more community support for expectant mothers in crisis situations? What kind of system could help mothers like this one, who feel they have no choice but to hide their pregnancy? Let's start a conversation in the comments below and see how we can change things for the better.